I get the opportunity to go into every content that we have. And so whether it's English teachers annotating certain passages, whether it's the math teachers, making use of it as far as notes and going over and really modeling things. You will see some teachers make use of it, whether it's quizzes or other kinds of games, things going on. There's just a wide variety of what's going on with it. That's what's been really cool to see, is that you can see that they're able to tailor it to their content areas. And I feel like 10 years ago, we were all sort of maybe using the same certain apps or programs and trying to make it fit. And to me, it looks more natural in the classrooms this year.
The feedback that I receive from teachers is they love it. Even if you are newer into the technology world because you're a veteran teacher, it's still very easy to use. Even ones that are scared of technology can be successful with the board, and I've seen them flourish with it.
What I've seen in classes is teachers making good use of the boards, but they're still able to have kids, whether it's with markers or pencils or pens, at their desks, and then kids can come up and make use of the board as well. So to me, it's striking that balance that we've wanted to have, which is technology enhancing things, but not just there sort of replacing worksheets with technology and things like that.